So over here, you can see that I got some elements right here in my Jotboard. If I want to go ahead and delete out some element, let's say, for example, if I want to go ahead and delete this, I can simply select this and hit the delete key. You can also go around over here onto the three dot button and then click on delete right here, just like this as well. Let me just go ahead and undo to bring them back right here. Apart from that, I can also go ahead and duplicate out the objects. So I can go around over here just like this, and you can see that I have an option to edit, lock, delete right here. But to duplicate it, you need to press Ctrl C on your keyboard as you select it and press Ctrl V, and then you get those elements duplicated just like this, as you can see. Apart from that, you can click on the three dot button and lock out certain elements as well. For example, if I were to lock this out, now I can select it, but I cannot make changes to it. I can simply go around over here, click on it again and unlock it so that you can see that I can go ahead and then move it around again. You also have edit option right here, which is there for sticky note, as you can see. So depending on different elements right here, like text, as you can see, you have edit option right here as well, besides the lock and delete. So you also have delete right here, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and delete, duplicate, lock and unlock objects inside of Jotboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.